can you help me tell Stanley? Yes, ask him when he will be free so we can see. I'll be hoping to hear from you. Soonest. Alright.
Sharon, can we talk?
Talk about what exactly? Now what do you want us to talk about? You employed your girlfriend into this house. That's no problem. Benedict, please can you sign the divorce papers? Sign it so I can have my peace. What is all this? I'm giving it to you downstairs to sign. Just sign it for me so I can be free. Everybody's just gonna go their separate ways. See, I just want to be left alone, okay? That was why I left the parlor for you.
Sharon, can't you see your girlfriend is misleading you? It's obvious. Can't you see that?
Really? Benedict, really? This is what you have to say. Please, I beg you, okay? Go and look for what is your problem. Alright? My friend is not your problem. Go and look for what is your problem. What is all this? You're trying to look for who to pour your frustration on. Sign the divorce papers, I don't want trouble. Go ahead and sign it.
I hope you're enjoying what your presence is causing in this house, right? But one thing I know for sure is that you will definitely reap what you sow. Common sense supposed to tell you, see? You're supposed to wait till they're officially divorced before you should come in and take over. Eh, madam? Well done, oh. You just came in, JJ, to engineer it, to cause more, to add more fire to it. Well done. Clap hand for yourself. You did well. But let me tell you something, eh? You see that cane they used to flog old wife? That's the same cane they will use to flog new wife. Continue doing what you're doing. You will definitely reap it.
Nothing. Maybe I want us to make our stay more interesting.
It sounds nice.
I know.
So, how do you want it to be?
Okay.
Why are you blindfold?
Hey, just to make it romantic, come on.
Are you sure about this?
Baby, I'm sure you're scared.
Scared? I mean, why should I be scared of you?
If you're not scared, then allow me. Just a surprise. Okay. Is it? Okay. That's good.
Somebody here?
One.
Hey.
Life is not the way you see it, so try to let this go, no matter what it may be. What is that to gain from planning someone down for? Don't forget that what goes around comes around. It's just a matter of time. Everything will be made known. Ooh, 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 yeah.
How did it go? I hope you had fun. Well, not really. Not really. What's that? What was that? Did you see your face when you entered here? You're looking like someone that just came back from honeymoon. Hello. Hey. Debbie. Okay, fine. Let me make a confession. Okay. I had fun. I enjoyed myself, but a little bit, Just give me the full gist. I want the full gist. Excuse you. What gist do you want to hear? There's nothing to gist you about now. It's just, normal adult fun. Just that's all. But guess what? Oh goodness. Just guess. Tell me. No, I don't want to make any guess. Just tell me. What is it? Guess now. Just tell me. What is it? We are going on a tour. Oh my god! Yes, I mean, once I'm done with this whole divorce saga with Benedict, okay, we are going on a tour. You're about to live your best life. But I just have a little challenge. What could that be? I don't know how to get Benedict to sign those papers as soon as possible. He needs to sign them. Okay. I think I have an idea and it will work. Really? Yes. Tell me, what is it?
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you. 'Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love.
You're not funny, so Mokadi and Bobu. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobu. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobu. You're not funny, so. You're not funny, so Bokadi and Bobu. You're not funny, so. Come in. Welcome, madam.
Yeah. You need to stop whatever thing you're doing right now, okay?
Okay.
Go upstairs, pack everything that belongs to you. You're leaving this house this minute.
Ma? Madam, sorry, I did not hear.
Are you deaf?
No, madam.
So?
Madam, you talk something. He says you pack my things and go. Madam, okay? Beg no fix. What did I do wrong?
Am I supposed to explain myself to you as to why you need to leave my house? I employed you and I just said that your services are no longer needed in this house. So just go upstairs, pack everything that belongs to you and leave. Meanwhile, call your account details.
Madam, I beg now. Madam, I beg no sack me. This work now, the only work where I carry leave me and my sister. We no get money. But I beg you. Anything where I do, I no go do am again.
So how's that supposed to be my business? I mean, that should be your own cup of tea, alright? Anyway, since you've asked me, fresh hair is going to replace you. As you can see, he's here already.
I don't see him.
So, he will resume work immediately. Meanwhile, Fresh, there's a room by your left-hand side, alright?
Go there. So you go in there, make yourself comfortable, drop your bag, and then come out immediately because you resume work like right now. You need to make me a very hot jollof rice.
Yeah, which my command, man.
Alright.
Make her assist the fresh, make her assist you, Madam Bob. Madam, you get my Madam Bob now, I beg you. I don't go do again. Madam, I beg. Madam Bob, I beg you, Bob.
Your account, Philomena.
I know Kate.
Call.
I know Kate.
If I leave this place.
This one you're looking so dull. Like you want to cry.
Madam, don't slap me.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You just bring another person come talk say another person now go they walk, go they cook me, make I go out.
Sorry. Where is she?
There inside.
Don't worry, don't cry. Let me go and talk to her. Sis, please don't be offended. Did you serve Philo? What did she do?
Please, her services are no longer needed in my house.
Why? She didn't do anything wrong.
Do I need to explain to anybody as to why she needs to leave my house? This is my house. I say who stays and who leaves. Alright? As a matter of fact, I have a new person. There's a new employee.
Fresh baby. Okay? You are in a good mood. Let me come around.
Mama say if you dey follow me again, you go see wetin I go do you for there. Don't get this press, allow me to rest since I start to dey work for here. Problem. Now madam don't sack me. No, go carry the house job. I got that for.
How is it my fault that you lost your job?
That's your fault. No be your fault. I better go open this gate, make I come up for here. Put down your phones. That's in my fault. Put in here to become Magara. That's your fault. It's not your fault. Don't worry, so for you, come up for here.
Charity, what's your mission in this house? Are you an agent of destruction?
Rose, am I the one you're talking to? You better learn how to control your tone or I will teach you how to.
It's obvious and I can see it, that you derive joy in bullying someone.
Rose, I will not warn you again. I don't see anything wrong in doing my job in this house. So you better learn how to talk to me or else I will teach you how to.
See, whatever measure you use on someone will definitely come back to you.
Oh wow. I didn't expect to see you now.
Oh, what did you come to do?
Well, I had to make sure everything is properly set. Sharon is a high-class personality. And she likes it classy and demure. And the only way to win her is to meet her test.
Yeah, she made mention of that. Classy lifestyle.
Now you see.
I know.
So tell me, how did it go? I hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, I did. Honestly, I had fun. A very big one, and I can't even wait to go back and have such fun again.
Oh, okay. You're not enjoying it, eh? No, I think it's time you pay me. As a matter of fact, I'm not paying your balance.
No, don't say that. Are you joking? When I delivered beyond your expectation, no, don't even say that. You're the one to pay me, I'm telling you. Please, did you cook anything?
What did you say?
Did you cook anything? I need something I need to eat.
As what? Your wife?
As someone that delivered beyond your expectations now.
Oh, please.
I'll be right back.
Let's be fast.
Goodness. Philo, please get me a glass of water. Oh my goodness. You're welcome, sir. Young man, who are you? Oh, I am Fresh, the newly employed house help. Who employed you? My lady Sharon. Where is she? Here, she's upstairs. And listen, young man, before I return, you better get yourself out from my house. And what the hell are you still doing in my house? You didn't hear what I said earlier? I'm waiting for the one that employed me. You're very, very stupid. Now get out from my house. I'm sorry, sir. I cannot leave or there. I said, you just tell this boy to stay away from this house. Get out from my house. Get out. I cannot leave here until
just go.
I cannot leave. I will not leave until you cannot leave my own house. Get out. Get out. Oh my goodness. Papa, calm down. What did you do this one now? One on one, I will take you down. What did happen?
But you just go inside and get away from me. Go inside.
Just imagine in my own house. This is so crazy. Have you seen what this cost? Bringing a stranger into my house, come and insult me, telling me one on one, I don't take it up for my own house. No, listen. I can't take this. It's not possible. I can't take this rubbish. What nonsense? Who does that? In my own house, you're talking back at me?
Okay, let me go and talk to her. She will listen to me. I'm her sister, please.
Hell no.
Please come down, let me just talk to her.
Listen, go and talk to Sharon right away. Because I'm about to do something crazy. Just go and talk to her. Fast!
Uncle, please.
Very, very fast before I commit murder. I don't do anything crazy. Please go and talk to her. This can be happening in my house. What rubbish? What nonsense? In my own house, one-on-one. That's what you're telling me, you stupid boy? No worries, I don't blame you. I blame Sharon for bringing you to this house to come and talk rubbish before me. This house? I'm not going anywhere. I go nowhere. Let me just run from me. Go do it. Don't want to make the shelf for there. This is what I'm saying because he thought Tuesday could fit to make me. Not possible. Okay? Alright, yeah. Ah, God, that's what you do. And you're done my own. You don't pimp me, carrying it from my house. You see my you're good at that. I'll go this one day. No possible now. Please, let me get to like 1 week, 1 month. Yes. Because the girls are going to see anything. I asked you to leave the house and you're here! Get out! I said get out! I am not going anywhere. Leave my house. I said I'm not going anywhere.
Respect yourself and leave now.
I am not going anywhere until Lady Sharon comes out. Oh, I ain't the one that employed me. Leave my house. Leave my house.
Fresh, will you just go?
I'm not going anywhere. Sharon, just tell this intruder to come in my house, please, fast.
I don't understand. What is going on here?
I told your husband that I am not going anywhere because he's not the one that employed me. I'm waiting for you to say if I should go or not. Sharon, this boy is leaving my house now.
Brian, I don't understand. Why are you asking him to leave? Is that a problem?
I don't want to do anything disastrous. Tell him to leave my house.
No, he's not leaving.
Right now.
He is not going to leave this. I don't understand. I remembered when you employed Charity into this house. I told you that I was not comfortable with that girl. I mean, a female security. I don't understand it, but then what did you say? You insisted that she will stay. So I am insisting that Fresh is going to stay in this house. If Fresh leaves, then Charity leaves this house. Yeah, she's going to leave. What am I even saying? She's leaving right away. Listen, Charity will leave my house. She's leaving.
He has to leave now.
Charity!
Something is just holding me back. Get out of my house. I would have killed someone. I would have killed you. I would have killed
house this minute.
No, enough.
Are you deaf? Can't you hear me?
I said enough of this madness.
Enough. Which madness?
Enough.
Have you seen madness? No, you have not seen madness, Benedict. Benedict, if I show you madness, you'll be able to differentiate when I'm normal and when I'm not normal. See, you just have two options, okay? It is either you sign that papers or as fresh is leaving. This thing standing here that you call your security or whatever rubbish, I don't even know what you two are doing. We'll leave this compound this minute. You see the other side of me.
Charity, thank you so much for your services. Rose, thank you so much for your effort towards this marriage. Make sure it doesn't crash. And you, Sharon, you want to know what has been going on here? Whatever that has been going on in this compound is for the sole reason for this our marriage to survive and not to crash. Oh yes, but at this point, I do not care. I do not care. Yes, because I can't give in to your demands. Never. It is too much for me. I can't afford it. Alright? So I will go ahead and get those divorce papers. So I sign, you sign, so that you can go ahead and go meet those people or whatever person they told you that is better than I am. Alright? I'm going to get those divorce papers right away. Promise. We have been trying to talk to you to calm down, to seriousness with us, to be... I'm coming. I'm coming.
Sis, I know you're confused right now and you're trying to figure out what is going on. Let me break it down for you. I know your friend has been advising you wrongly. Yes, and your husband has complained to you severally about it, but you're not seeing the signal.
Honestly, I'm still thinking, okay? I'm still trying to process all of this. It's not like I've agreed. I'm still thinking. I would have to say, you can accept it. You can just leave your career. No. And if he doesn't accept it, you file for divorce. Yes. You're still very young and you can still, get on with your life. Listen, you remember Stanley? You remember Stanley from our school days? He's still very much interested in you. So you can file for divorce and get on with it. I was supposed to answer my bad. Sorry. Philo! Philo!
What has come over you? Oh, I need peace of mind. That's why I give you all you want. Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you. 'Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times.
You look disturbed. Uncle Ben.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
I know you. You're not good at pretending or even lying. I've been observing you and I know you're disturbed.
Rose, I'm okay, as a man. Sometimes you pick many things, process and, try to figure it out in your brains and all of that. So I'm good. Ijom, okay? Huh? I'm alright.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure I'm good.
Okay, if you say so. Let me continue with what I'm doing.
This is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. What has come over you? What has come over us? Living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
Why do you want to divorce Uncle Ben?
Reasons best known to me.
Or is it Auntie Debbie who is trying to lure you out of your marriage?
Rose, I will advise you to please take away Debbie out of this, alright? Whatever saga I'm having with Ben has nothing to do with who? Debbie. So please, I beg you. It is obvious that Ben cannot meet up to my demands. So he has to sign the divorce papers so we could go our separate ways. It's as simple as that.
Sis, you should have a rethink.
Nanga rost my mind. Nanga rost my mind. Nanga rost my mind. Oh, Mare. He said, the doctor said I was married far. I didn't keep smoking. Nanga rost my mind. Nanga rost my mind. Hello? What's that?
Did you see Uncle Ben?
Oh! They asked Uncle Ben. You go outside.
Just now.
You okay? Go outside. The doctor said I want very far. I didn't drink a smoking cigar. I didn't smoking cigar. Nana.
Living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. Victor! We are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind?
Did you see Uncle Ben?
He passed here.
But this guy is here.
No, you no carry car come out. You no carry car. If you go outside now, you can see.
I call Punkis for me.
I never expected this from you. Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony. But I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
I just stepped out to have some work, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Is everything alright?
Do you mind if I join you?
Okay, no problem. I'll be having like 1 hour walk. Are you fit to do that?
It's fine. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. It's alright. Hey, you know, let's keep the body and soul fit. Of course.
Uncle Ben,
Yeah.
so you and my sister wants to divorce. And I guess that's what have been disturbing you of late.
It is well. It is well. I mean, one of those things.
But since when? Whose idea was it?
Rose. I mean, it's really... Well, I don't know what came over your sister. I don't really know what came over her. All of a sudden, your sister turned to something I can't even identify. And this all started when I told her that she has to cut down on the number of jobs she collects. That was my statement. And after that statement, she took it the wrong way and started acting wrongly on that. I was just trying to care. Something like, baby, I wouldn't want you to take more jobs again so you won't be stressed while pregnant. And she doesn't even know I care about her a lot. I love her so much, I love her career. I've even made inquiry from Davy on how to open her own YouTube channels, any outlet personally for her so she can make her own movies, make her own money, employ people, instead of hoping on producers, executive producers, marketers to call upon her, she produce her own fame, make her own money and all of that. I've been making that plan. I even want to set up a studio, an entertainment studio for her. So I care, I value her career a lot. I'm not trying to stop her, but just trying to tell her, okay, baby, you can manage the stress. So you don't, overwork yourself while you're pregnant. She took it the wrong way and all of a sudden my wife turned into something I can't identify and she's opting out. I can't kill myself, honestly. I don't know, but I just pray. I don't know, just.
So that's it.
Rose, honestly, let's walk, Rose. Let's walk so I can get some things off my head.
I can't believe that's just it.
Rose, so how is it with you?
Living in peace and harmony, but I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us leave this world. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised.
Uncle Ben.
Can I have some peace of mind? Let us leave this world.
I was trying to figure out something. Did you by any chance discuss your plans about my sister to Debbie?
Does it matter?
Yes, it does. Please tell me.
Well, I told her, yes. I told her about my intention of giving your sister 30 million naira to set up her business, apart from me establishing an entertainment studio. So.
No wonder. That means Debbie is the one influencing my sister. And we need to find out if she's only being influenced by Debbie or she really wants this divorce. And also if she still loves you.
So, how do we do that?
We need to get the security. And definitely it's going to be a beautiful lady.
A lady? How? I mean, how can you get a lady man the gate? It's meant for men. A lady can possibly do that job.
I know, but that will make her jealous. Yes. If she pays no attention to it, you will know that she's not only being influenced by Debbie, but she wants to stay out of the marriage. She wants the divorce. But if she pays attention to it, I know my sister. She won't even let a female security stay in the house for 5 minutes. Because she knows love is jealous. Love protects and fights for its own. So she will do all possible means to let her out.
What if it didn't work out?
Let's just try it. If it doesn't work out, then it's fine. You can let her go. Yeah, let's just try.
So, Peter, you're going to stop work for now. I'm not sacking you. There is something we want to do. After that, you resume. Alright?
Okay,
Peter, it's like you're just going to rest for some time. When we are done, we'll call you.
Okay, I don't want rest too. I get comfortable with this job.
Listen, Peter, while you're resting, I'll give you some tip to at least chill with. Okay? No, just it's alright.
Hey.
Okay? So I think we go with one of the options that you know how to
Hey, now pursue Oga will pursue me also. Oga, when you start, they pursue me. What do you think I do now? I never... I cannot do my Oga anything now. I never steal the money. Nothing I'm lost for this compound. What did I do? Hey, God. Well, they say you go give me small money, make I take manage. I go manage that one. But I don't know how much. If I go back to my duty post.
Uncle Ben.
Yeah.
I have contacted the person that will do the job. Yeah, possibly she'll be here tomorrow.
Oh. I just pray it works out. Like the person, does it well.
Uncle Ben, there's no harm in trying.
Oh yes, there is no harm in trying, honestly. I don't know. We shouldn't, go through all this stress. I don't know why your sister has allowed the devil to come in between our happiness. Honestly, it breaks my heart, but...
Don't worry. Everything will be okay.
Hopefully. So let me keep my hopes high.
I know that for sure.
It's alright.
Sis, your husband loves you so very much.
I have signed mine, kindly sign yours. Have it, sign yours. Sign yours, let's squash this marriage and everyone go separate ways. Rubbish. Bow the dash. We've been begging, we've been talking to you and to no avail. You can eat me up. I won't die because of all of this. I won't die.
Sis, whatever you want to do, it's fine. I will personally...
Can you just stop! Just shut up! Stop talking! Stop it! What is it? Is that the way you brainwashed my sister? You brainwashed her to the point that she's talking from the left side of her mouth. You're a very selfish person. Benedict, you're so selfish. You want to open a shop of how much again? 30 million for me. 30 million that I can make in a few days. That is what you want to use in establishing a shop for me, Sharon. Newsflash. You think I don't know what your plans are? You want to turn me to a full housewife. That is what you want to subject me to. Never. You can never ruin my career. It will not work for you. It will not work. Your plans will not work. Nonsense. You want to drive me crazy. You're making me feel like I don't know what I'm saying. Fresh. You got the car keys, yeah? That's no problem. Let me just go upstairs and pick a few things. Alright? I'll be right back. Everybody in this house has gone crazy!
Oh my goodness. Oh, finally I'm free. Hey. Hi.
So you're happy that you're divorced? Sis, there is nothing out there that is better than your home. You don't have to leave now. Sis, can you just think this through, please?
Oh my goodness. Hello, Fresh. Yes, I need you to come to my room now. Yes, I want you to help me take my box downstairs. Alright, fast, I'm waiting.
Sis, can you just stop? Can you just... Sis.
Fresh. You'll be the one to drive, okay?
With all pleasure, ma'am.
With all pleasure.
And as for you, Charity, I am sure that you're happy. I mean, you must be so happy that your dream is finally coming to pass. Or your dream have finally come to pass. I'm leaving. You can now have the house, okay? True commands. Dish out orders. Eat him. Devour him for all I care. Alright? I'm sure you're happy. And you, I'm sure you can still find your way back to our father's house. Alright? Just send me your account number. I'll send you something. Fresh, please take me out from this place.
Alright, ma.
This is now must really not touch me. I'm going to room. Just, please. Sis.
I need peace of mind.
Open the gate now. Open the gate or you still want to break you again. Open the gate. Let me come to. Let me go.
Just to show you how I feel for you. I never expected this from you. Cause this is not how we used to be. All the good days and all the good times, living in peace and harmony, but I can't explain what's going on. I thought we are meant to. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? This is not the love you promised. Can I have some peace of mind? Let us live as one. Can I have some peace of mind? Some peace of mind. This is not the love you promised.
Girl, I am so free. Free like a bird. Now I can fly around the world with my man Stanley. Thank you so much, Debbie. Thank you for opening my eyes. I mean, thank you for showing me the world and seeing the light. How else can I say thank you? You know what? Just hold on, I'm coming over to the house, okay? Yes, I need to tell you thank you specially before I travel out with my man.
Celebration indeed.
I can't wait to gist you. I'm coming. Just hold on. I'm fresh. Very well. I'll take it up from here. Thank you very much. You know what you do? Send me your account details. I'll forward some money to you. All right? Very well. Yeah, that reminds me. I saw the way you were staring at me. Is there a problem?
Ma'am, first of all, thank you very much for the opportunity to work for you. And you know, now you're officially divorced. So in case you still need my services, I'm still available. Just come here.
I don't understand. What you mean by services?
And I don't say last dance. We're gonna day like this now. You will still sometimes what are you gonna do with your man and wife now? You understand now?
Are you stupid? Is your brain leaking? Is something? Are you breathing from your anus? Is something wrong with you? Come on, get out from this place.
I say I did for you.
So as tall as you are, you don't have sense. You don't know what to say. Get out.
But if you still change your mind,
I'll kick you now. Look at this idiot.
if you still change your mind,
Don't I fire you? Very stupid fellow.
I know say last sometimes somebody will be doing somehow.
It's not your fault.
If
I move this car, I will jam you.
No problem, man. Again, just call me. I did for you.
I am no longer comfortable with these games you're playing. I'll be thinking of late and my mind is beginning to judge me so badly. And please, at this point, I just want to call it a quit. And I'm walking off this whole thing.
Sorry, what did you say? You want to call it a quit? That's a joke, right?
Is this a joke? Does this whole thing look like a joke? You think I'm bluffing?
Obviously, you are bluffing. Because, you see this game? I decide when it's over.
No, you do not decide. You do not decide for a man like me. No! The worst you can do is to seize my balance and that is it. I do not care. I don't care. I'm off.
Stanley, listen to me. Stanley, listen to me.
Please, just allow me be, alright?
How dare you walk out on me when I'm still talking? Oh, after I clothed and helped you, you think you can just back out without my approval? Huh?
What else do you want from me? This is a sincere question. What do you want from me? You have succeeded in making that woman divorce her husband. So please, let me be.
If you walk out of that gate, you will come back and I will listen to you.
Watch me walk out of that gate and there is nothing, absolutely nothing you are going to do about it. What is wrong with you? Huh? But before I leave, I would love to ask you one question.
Which is?
Why do you want to destroy that woman? Why are you so keen to destroy that woman completely? What will be your gain if you destroy that woman? What will be your gain if you destroy everything that she has worked for? Remember, there is no sin that is unforgivable. None.
Okay. Fine! Madam, my corner 500, come on for you.
Zero. Make you know they cry again now. You don't do they cry now. No, they cry again.
No, they tell me make I no they cry again. Oh. No, they tell me that thing. No, they tell me that thing. He bend me. If you not bend you bend me. Now me lose the job. No be you lose the job. The job where they give us money when we they carry shop for this country where I like this. That kind big money they come pursue me come out. He say make I no they cry. Why I go see that kind big job do again? Who go pay me that kind money? Bong me or rip me.
Zero. No worry, God will give you that job. Go stay give you another one. Make you know they cry again. You know, say now only you be my only sister. Now you be my only sister. Make you know they cry again. You go get another one.
I make bong me, rip me, make I cry my cry.
No cry again. No cry. No cry. You know say me they cry. Me say I go begin cry my own.
No cry, oh, no cry.
I go cry, oh. You want make I cry? I don't cry my own. I don't cry.
It's okay.
I go begin cry. Hey, my God on the bone. Make you know they cry.
No,
Make you know they cry.
no, beg your corn.
Firo, my sister. Don't cry again.
I know they.
Rose, how far? How is he doing?
It's not good at all. He's devastated.
Okay, so what can we do to cheer him up?
I don't know. I'm as confused as you are.
What? Your sister? What is wrong with your sister? Doesn't she know that all that glitters are not gold?
See, I've tried and I'm still trying to fix my sister's marriage, but...
It's okay. Let's just go inside, okay? That's fine. Let's go inside. It's okay.
See, don't be like this. I need you to take out the post. Okay.
is this? She got nuts. Trying to blackmail me or what?
Don't worry. Definitely she will come back.
Sir, please, you need to take it easy on yourself. Please. This is not the end of God's plan for you. Okay? God will definitely give you someone that would look after you and love you forever.
I tried my best. I did everything I could. I gave in my all. I tried my best. I worked day and night. I grind hardly all day to give myself and my lovely wife a good life. I shower her with love. I treat her like royal. Honestly. Okay. What was the problem? The problem was that I wanted my woman, the love of my life, to live a stress-free life. I suggested to her wholeheartedly, with love, I said, baby, please, can you cut down on the number of jobs you take? But it could be affecting you, you know. Oh, we are married. We need to start making kids. We need to start making babies. It could affect you taking in. And eventually, if that happens, too much stress won't be good for you as a pregnant woman. Just cut down on the number of jobs you take. Boom! I'm a selfish man. I'm not worthy of this and that. Just everything changed. What's my crime? Loving and caring for her. Just tell me. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay, sir. Meet my friend Sharon, the one I told you about. You can always give her roles in your movies. We've been best of friends right from our university days.
She's very beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope she can act very well.
Very well, Chairman. She has fiction in some movies.
No problem. That's not changing. You can send me your pictures on WhatsApp.
Nice meeting you too, sir. I mean, I've heard a lot about you and I'm glad I'm meeting you. That's no problem. I'll just collect your number from my friend Debbie.
You're welcome. Baby, I hope you're living your script very well. Because that role is a vital one. If you deliver, you'll be a long way.